Okay folks, I got the mulch going. So what I do is I put down some preen, some insect control, put the paper over top of it, then I put the mulch. I'll show you the results of everything as we go. Right here I'm putting down some paper. This moving paper that I have here was from a job that I did a while ago, but you can get out of, I don't know, like 200 sheets of this for like 10 bucks if you wanted to pay for it. But I had a couple rolls left over from a job that I did, and it works out really well because what it does is it degrades. And because it degrades, you know, you can keep your weeds out at least to a minimum, but for the most part, I've never had a problem with that. You want to wet it down, that way it stays in place. It was a little windy today, but I wet it down, it stays in place. I throw my mulch over it, and like I said, it makes a nice clean look. I don't try to get all fancy and wrap the paper all the way around right up to the trunk of a bush or right up to the stem. You know, if I get a couple pieces of weeds or grass there, I'll just pull them.
As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. I set my mark right on your heart. One moves I got me this far. Now I don't wanna restart. Still there before you are, still shining through the whole dark, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. I'm still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I
If you've been following me, you've probably seen a video where I used a lot of my old grass clippings and leaves in the fall, and I just threw them on this bed. Look how much they broke down. I mean, I had those things piled up probably about 5 to 6 inches, and they're already broken down into the soil. So I usually do this. I leave old, you know, whatever can degrade into the soil and break down into the soil, you know, unless it's too big of a twig or something. I leave it down there and it just breaks up nicely. So there we go. You know, still got a couple of spots I gotta put in, but I tend to leave the little tags on my perennials. Some of them been on there for 10 years. The ones that are flowering now are, I think those are Weigelas. As soon as those flower, and those are twice blooming. So those flowers will come off. Those ones right there. Right there. And as soon as those starts to fall off, then these will start to come up. And those are my strawberry hydrangeas. Vanilla, I think they're called vanilla strawberry. Let's see what they're called. Yep, vanilla. Vanilla strawberry. I'm not a professional, so I leave my tags on a lot of things because I want the exact name if I really like what's going on. There's another one. So, got a lot of work to do, but thought I'd give you a quick video.